Welcome to this guided meditation for sleep. In this 15-minute session, we will practice a progressive muscle relaxation for sleep, helping you achieve deep relaxation by the calm lake at night. Get into a comfortable position, preferably lying down in bed, and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long, calming breath out. Allow your body to begin easing into comfort and let go of the day with each exhale. You are about to give yourself permission to fully relax. Notice the peaceful quiet around you and the natural stillness of the night. Imagine that you are by a calm lake under a starry sky, feeling a gentle night breeze on your skin. The air is cool and fresh. Begin by focusing on your breathing, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each breath, feel the tension starting to melt away. If any thoughts arise, just let them drift by like gentle ripples on the water. This is your time to relax. Now we'll start a soothing body scan with a cycle of tense and release. Bring your attention to your feet. As you inhale, curl your toes and tense all the muscles in your feet. Squeeze them fairly tight. Hold that tension for a moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale and release. Let your feet go completely limp. Feel the new sensations as relaxation flows into your feet. Perhaps you notice a warm tingling or a gentle heaviness there. Your feet are now relaxed. Next, shift your focus to your lower legs, your calves. Take a deep breath in and tighten your calf muscles. Hold the tension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out and let go, releasing all tightness from your calves. Feel the soothing relief as the tension drains away. Your lower legs may feel warm and pleasantly heavy against the surface beneath you. Enjoy that feeling of relaxation in your legs. Now, move your awareness to your thighs. Inhale deeply and squeeze your thigh muscles. Tighten them as if you're pressing your knees together or trying to make your legs stiff. Hold the tension and now exhale, releasing your thighs. Feel the muscles loosen and lengthen. Notice that soft melting sensation as the blood flow returns and your thighs become comfortably relaxed. Take a moment to appreciate how much calmer and heavier your legs feel. You are sinking deeper into relaxation. Bring attention to your hips and glutes. Take a breath in and contract these muscles. Gently tighten your buttocks and hips. Hold for a few seconds. Then breathe out and completely relax. Let those large muscles go limp and slack. Feel the tension slipping away, leaving only a sense of ease in your hip area. With your hips and legs now relaxed, your lower body feels deeply at peace, supported by the bed or floor. You might even imagine that any remaining tightness is flowing out from your legs into the earth. Now, draw focus to your abdomen. Take a nice deep breath in and tense your stomach muscles. You can do this by drawing your belly button inwards, as if trying to press it toward your spine. Hold that tension for a moment and then release it as you exhale. Feel your belly soften. Notice the wave of relief as your abdomen relaxes completely. Any butterflies or knots in your stomach unfurl and disappear. Your breathing is free and gentle, with your stomach rising and falling softly. You are calm and secure. Now gently arch your back very slightly to engage the muscles of your lower back. Take a deep breath in and tighten those back muscles. Hold for a few seconds and breathe out, releasing the arch and letting your back muscles relax. Feel the stress and tightness in your back dissolve. If you had any tension along your spine, imagine it slowly draining away, leaving your back feeling loose and comfortable. Once more, inhale and lightly squeeze the shoulder blades together. And exhale, release. Your back is now free of tension, sinking into the surface beneath you. Bring your awareness to your shoulders and neck. As you inhale, shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, scrunching the neck and shoulder muscles firmly. Feel that tight squeeze and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale and drop your shoulders down, releasing the tension. Allow your shoulders to settle in a comfortable, lowered position. Roll them gently if you need to, letting all stiffness evaporate. Feel how much lighter your neck and shoulders are now. Warm, loose, and relaxed. Let go of any burden or weight you've been carrying there. Now, focus on your arms and hands. Let's start with the upper arms. With a deep breath in, tighten your upper arms. You might do this by bending your elbows and trying to curl your arms, or simply clenching the muscles. Hold briefly and breathe out, releasing the contraction. Feel the heaviness leaving your upper arms. Next, make tight fists with your hands, squeezing your hands and forearms as you inhale. Hold that squeeze. Notice the tingling. And now exhale, uncurling your fingers and letting your hands flop open, completely limp. Let all the effort go. Your arms and hands are now feeling loose and heavy, warmly relaxed from the shoulders down to your fingertips. Maybe you notice a mild buzzing or warmth in your fingers. That's a sign of the tension leaving your body. Finally, turn your attention to your face. Our faces carry a lot of subtle tension through the day. Take a deep breath in and scrunch up your face. Squeeze your eyes shut tight, wrinkle your nose, and clench your jaw and lips together. Hold that expression. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale and completely release all those facial muscles. Let your mouth drop open slightly and let your eyes be at ease. Feel your cheeks, your forehead, your jaw. Everything is slack and soft. Perhaps you feel a gentle warmth or softness spreading across your face as it relaxes. If you notice any last bits of tension, take another gentle inhale, and as you exhale, imagine that tightness floating away. Your face is now serene and relaxed. Take a moment now to scan your whole body from head to toe, noticing how calm and heavy it feels. Every muscle has been allowed to relax, from your face and neck down through your shoulders and arms, your chest and stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. Your entire body is in a state of deep relaxation. Notice how different it feels compared to when we started. You might sense a pleasant warm glow or gentle tingling in some areas. This is the feeling of stress leaving your body. Your breathing is slow and effortless. In this state, you are safe, you are calm, and you are peaceful. You have done a wonderful job relaxing your body and mind. Now, simply rest in this peaceful state. There is nothing else you need to do right now, nowhere you need to be. Feel the quiet night around you and within you. You deserve this rest and healing. Allow the gentle energy of the calm lake night to soothe you even further. You are safe, you are okay, and all is well. Every breath guides you deeper into tranquility. Know that you can let go of any remaining worries. They're like leaves floating away on the water's surface. You are deeply relaxed and sleep is approaching naturally. Your entire body is at ease and your mind is quiet and content. If you haven't already drifted off, feel free to let yourself drift into sleep now. Imagine a warm, comforting darkness surrounding you, like a soft blanket of night. Your sleep will be calm and rejuvenating. You will wake up feeling refreshed and recharged. For now, surrender to the pull of sleep. You've earned this time to recover and heal. Sweet dreams.